Forget everything you know about travel, because this is the Maldives. Not the postcard, not the Instagram cliché, but the ultra-private, invite-only version, the one reserved for royalty, tech billionaires, and people who disappear into luxury. 1,200 islands scattered across the Indian Ocean like diamonds. And the best part? Most of them are empty, or better yet, owned by one single resort or one single guest. You don't drive here. You arrive by private jet, then hop onto your seaplane transfer. No roads, no traffic, no paparazzi. Just turquoise water, your own butler, and 24/7 silence. Every villa is a fortress of solitude. Think overwater hammocks, glass floors, plunge pools, all without ever seeing another human, unless you asked for one. Dinner? It's not in a restaurant. It's on a sandbank the size of your living room, lit by candles, surrounded by ocean. Your chef? Flown in from Tokyo this morning. The spa doesn't have walls, just ocean breeze, birdsong, and massages synced to the tide. At night, the sky turns into your ceiling. No light pollution, just stars, bioluminescence, and champagne. This isn't a vacation. This is where you go when you want the world to forget you exist. Welcome to the ultra-private Maldives.